Okay, so you should have also got this worksheet, and I'm going to kind of start you off a little bit. So this is going to go over the things that are directly from your notes. It says complete the diagram to show the 7 classification levels from most inclusive to least inclusive. And what I mean by that is, let's make this bigger. Come on now. So let's label, okay? This is going to be the largest, right? That's pretty obvious because it's the largest piece of this little diagram. Oops, no. Come on now. The largest is up top, and that is also going to be the most inclusive. This group includes the most, so of course it's going to be largest. And as you come down here, it is going to be least inclusive because it's only going to include 1. You should know 1 is less than many, so it makes sense that down here is least inclusive. Okay? Over here, we're going to have least specific. Because if we're including a lot, that is not very specific. But if we're only including 1, that is actually going to be very specific. Why can't I spell today? Specific, okay? So that means that the largest, most inclusive levels are also going to be the least specific levels. They include more organisms, so they can't be very specific. And as we get lower, they are going to include less, so they will be less inclusive, and they will become more specific, okay? So hopefully you remember Katy Perry came over for good soup. And you will remember what each of them stands for. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. And it's hard to see, but you can always label yours using your notes. All right? And one more thing I want to leave you with is make sure you know the rules for the naming. Got to be in Italian, italics. First one is capitalized. There's going to be 2. Second one is lowercase. It's going to be your genus, capitalized, and your species is lowercase, okay? And that's how you figure out scientific names for classifying organisms. If you have any questions, leave me a comment on Google Classroom and I'll get with you. If not, I'll see you on Tuesday.